Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Crypto bull market, crypto bull cycle. What is going to happen next? We have the best crypto trading system out there. Join us at Patreon. Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. Link in the description box and in the comment section. Get the best out of the market with the first, second, and of course the third tier. Has a money guarantee back and everyday trading scalping strategy. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's start. So right here, Bitcoin, I am starting with a monthly frame, right? Because the monthly frame looked fantastic. March started perfect. And this is what I'm expecting right now from Bitcoin. I am expecting more uptrend. April before on 2021, April on 2021 was not good. It was the start of something very huge corrective that people thought this was the end of the bull cycle. However, we had more to go. Okay, right after we are going to the month of the April 2022 that signaled the huge bearish movement. That we had a huge correction. You can see the low was almost equal to the close. Huge bearish candlestick that signaled much of a lower movement. Okay, and now we have something that we wanted and craved so much for crypto. We wanted that so much for crypto and Bitcoin. The start of something more impulsive. The start of Bitcoin going crazy to places that we have never seen before. And right now you can see that we waited so long, but the time is coming. Or has it come yet? Of course, right now, I'm going back to the daily frame. I'm expecting more uptrend, right? We talked about in the previous market update that it is quite possible that in the monthly frame, we even go touching this candlestick and form an institutional gap. What is this? The institutions push down the price so they can get at a better price, minus 3% you can see, and then they push the price upwards. You will ask me, Bill, is it possible that we go and have another correction and push afterwards? It could be the case, right? We have 27 days until the monthly close, and of course, anything could happen inside the 27 days. For example, another correction, and then we pump heavily after 15 days. Okay, it could be the case because we are on the monthly scale. But right now, let's see a little bit the daily frame. Let's see of what Bitcoin is trying to do. Let's see of what Bitcoin is going to do. I'm going to the daily frame right here. And what are we going to do is to draw a fib, very small fib you can see into from this top to this bottom. You can see that a huge resistance level is this line right here. We closed above before, then we closed below. Now we are finding a little bit of resistances, okay, into the 4-hour frame. Look at that. However, it is very possible for me that we easily break it and go all the way up higher. Some people would ask in the 4-hour frame, Bill, is it possible that we formed somewhat like a descending triangle in an uptrend? What is a descending triangle in an uptrend? The same lows, actually I will start from here, the body of the candlesticks, okay, and lower highs that will lead all the way down to go and have a correction instead of a pump. Could be the case. All right, you never know what the pattern is until it is confirmed. So if you see Bitcoin struggling and going down again to this bottom, finding to 27.7k, for example, okay, finding a little bit of a sell, of a buying pressure right here, and then going down again, we are talking possibly about a descending triangle that will get us a little bit further down. But please do not think that this is bearish. It is only bearish in the lower time frames if you were to short-term time trade, but at the end of the day, it is not bearish for the other time frames. You can see in the logarithmic scale and in the non-logarithmic scale, in the 1-hour frame, we found a little bit of resistance in this huge resistance level. That's why we closed below. It is possible, it is quite possible that we go a little bit further down, but nothing much. What I'm thinking about is that even if we are a little bit bearish in the short term, and this is not guaranteed, okay, it is not guaranteed that we will be bearish, but even if we are, what we are going to do, it is simply, we are going to go all the way up and reach the 30,000 Tether USD. Okay, we could be going to the 30,000 Tether USD inside this month, and not only that, maybe even higher. We are going to approach the MicroStrategies company sum of Bitcoin. They have bought an average of Bitcoin at around 30 to 31,000 Tether USD, and right now they are not in huge losses. Before some months, MicroStrategy was in a huge loss, right? Right now, things are looking very good for them. Right here, I do believe that might be the case that even today we pump a lot, but I will not say about today. I will say inside month of the April, you will see a very nice uptrend. And here, for me personally, it is confirmed that the bull cycle has started. I do not know if we are going to do something like this. Back here, you can see that we had a huge uptrend in the last bull cycle, 2019. Okay, 2019, we had a very huge uptrend, but the case was that we had a huge correction right after, and we should be waiting more and more. I'm not sure if something like that will happen to as well, or this time, or we are just simply going to find some small corrections and manage to make some higher lows in the monthly frame. But I do believe that we are going to make some higher lows, higher highs in the monthly frame. You can see that the lowest point for me was the 16.2k. We are never going there. We never go to the 5,000 Tether USD inside this bull cycle. Outside this bull cycle, I do not know, because nothing can keep going up forever. Always remember that. But at some point, I think that the time will come, and of course, we are going to go with a lower low, lower high pattern in the monthly scale for Bitcoin. But until that happens, we are very certain that we have another bull cycle ahead of us, and we are going there. Please pay attention to the market. The crypto bull run has started, and you have nothing better to do than joining our Patreon.com/MindYourCrypto. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day, and see you soon with many more videos. Bye.